In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Discord key. If you've recently purchased a Discord key through K4G and you're not sure how to activate it, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process from beginning to end. The steps are straightforward, and by following along, you'll know exactly where to locate your key and how to redeem it successfully. Take your time with each step to avoid any mistakes, especially when entering the redemption code. To get started, open your preferred web browser and visit the K4G website. Once you're there, sign in to the account you used when purchasing your Discord key. If you aren't signed in already, enter your account credentials and access your account dashboard so you can view your recent purchases. After you've signed in, navigate to the Orders or Purchases section. This area contains a list of the products you've bought through your account. Find the Discord key you want to redeem and open the order details. If the key isn't immediately visible, use the available option to reveal it. Once the key appears, carefully copy the entire code exactly as it's displayed. Be sure to include every letter, number, and special character, since even a minor error can prevent the code from working properly. Next, open Discord, using either your web browser or the desktop application. Then sign in to the Discord account where you'd like to redeem the key. After signing in, select the settings icon located near the bottom left corner of the Discord window to open user settings. Within the settings menu, locate the gift inventory or redeem section, depending on the type of key you purchased and the current version of Discord you're using. Choose the option to redeem a gift or promotional code, then paste the key you copied from your K4G order into the redemption field. Before completing the process, take a moment to review the code you've entered. Confirm that it matches the original key exactly. When everything looks correct, select the redeem option to continue. If the key is valid, Discord will display information about the item or subscription linked to that code. Review the details carefully to make sure they match your purchase, then confirm the redemption. The associated content or subscription will then be applied to your Discord account. If you receive an error message, carefully check that the key was copied correctly, verify that you're signed in to the intended Discord account, and make sure the key hasn't already been redeemed. You should also confirm that the key is valid for your region if regional restrictions apply. Once the redemption is complete, you can immediately begin using the content or benefits associated with your Discord key. You can also check your account settings or subscription details to verify that everything has been applied successfully. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to redeem a Discord key purchased through K4G. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,